Hello, welcome back. Now this year, as we all know, the holidays are going to look a little bit different. We may not have as many parties or gatherings, but that doesn't mean that I am not excited to find any excuse to dress up. I still want to bring like a little bit of festive flair into my dress this season, even if that is just for like a small girlfriend dinner or a morning at church. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you a few holiday staple pieces that you are gonna easily be able to mix and match with your existing wardrobe to just help you feel a little bit more festive. Before we get started, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so down below that little red button. The holidays are just so fun for me, so I'm gonna be sharing a bunch of different gift guides to help lighten your shopping load, as well as just other fun holiday styling tips. I actually just released my gift guide for him, so if you missed that one, I will link it down below. All right, let's get into this. The first item that I want to share is this sparkly sweater from H&M. It is $29.99 and here I am wearing a medium. A lot of you may already have some version of this shirt in your closets, whether it has sequins or some flecks of glitter or sparkle like this one does. So it's mainly just like the idea that I am sharing with you. This specific one is such a simple silhouette with really pretty details. I love that slight puckering in the shoulders. The banded waist is also really flattering. Here are a couple different ways that I would wear it. The first way can honestly find its place anywhere, from a beautiful everyday look to dinner with girlfriends. Here I am wearing this sparkly shirt with black skinny jeans and this ivory shacket. I am loving the pearl details on the shacket, and it really helps to bring out the sparkle in the shirt. With the upper half being so neutral, I can switch out my black jeans for a patterned pant. These are fun. They're a silk trouser from J.Crew. My husband thinks they're pajamas, and y'all, that is not a bad thing being in 2020. I am happy to wear silk looking pajamas. Let's go back to some black pants and throw on a faux fur vest. It is cozy and beautiful, and it just looks and feels festive. The second item on my must-have list are these tie waist crepe pants from Madewell. They are $69, but I actually got them for 50% off. I know that Madewell is running a lot of discounts and promotions right now with the holidays, so be on the lookout for that. Now, I love a paperback waist, which we actually saw a lot of in the spring and the summer. It is such a flattering fit as it hits at our natural waistline, which for majority of us is actually the most narrow part of our waist. So it's really pretty to kind of show that off. A black trouser can be used throughout all of the seasons, and it's gonna have a real place and purpose in any of our closets. And this crepe fabric is a lot nicer than, say, a denim. So it's gonna take any outfit just kind of up to the next level. And then obviously you have that bow and detailing around the waist, which is just really special. Here I am wearing these pants with a simple loose sweater. It's a $20 sweater from H&M. I love the diamond detailing in it. It helps it feel special and festive. And I'm just wearing black loafers to keep it comfy. Another easy way to wear these trousers is to add a button-up blouse underneath. Here I have on a silk blouse from Mango, and then I'm adding this killer velvet blazer from Free People. It's a little adventurous, but isn't that pattern fun and festive? You could also grab that pearl shacket and treat it like a blouse, doing a little half tuck action, or open the shacket all the way up for a more layered look. I am going to switch out the shacket for my next must-have item, this gorgeous golden velvet blazer. I honestly can't think of another fabric or color combination that screams holidays more than this. I love it. This is more of an investment purchase. It's $198 from J.Crew. That said, I got it for 45% off, and I know currently it's 50% off in typical J.Crew fashion. It also has this classic silhouette, which is gonna stay on trend for years to come. The first way to wear this blazer is super casually with a sweater underneath. Here I have on jeans and this festive Anthropology sweater. I love this color combination. You could also switch it out for this more casual gray sweater from Everlane. Such an easy look to get, but it looks so polished and intentional. Next, I have on this white dress. If you follow my Instagram at Matheny Style, you may have seen that I wore this dress in family photos. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and it was $19.99 from H&M. I love a dress blazer combo, and on colder days, just add tights and boots, and it'll be even more appropriate. Now, if you want to look real festive, grab yourself a pair of red plaid trousers. I got these last season from Zara and have had so many opportunities to wear them. They're gonna be such an easy piece to wear to, say, Thanksgiving dinner, and I will still be able to chase after my kids. You know, like, comfort is very important. And then I've also paired it with this white Henley from Old Navy, and obviously my gold blazer to top it off. The last way to wear these pieces is together, which I am so here for. They pair together beautifully, and it's just a great outfit to wear to any holiday event, small or smaller. Last, I want to show you a couple accessories that are going to really help finish the outfit and can go a really long way. This green velvet bow is from Ann Taylor. It adds dimension and just this finishing pop to any holiday outfit. And it's really easy to wear, whether you want to do half up like I did, or in a ponytail, or in a low bun. It's just a really versatile festive piece. And second, without fail, is a classy red lip. Adding a pretty red or pink lip to any outfit is going to instantly help you feel more festive. Well, there are my must-have pieces for the season that are just going to seamlessly mix and match with your existing wardrobe. They are just attainable and easy ways to look more festive this season, even if it's gonna look a little different than the years past. It's fine. We can still get excited over that holiday dress that honestly, I look forward to every year. I have linked everything down below in that description box, along with the sizes that I was wearing, just in case that's kind of a helpful comparison for finding your size. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.